Good morning student. Today we will discuss chapter 9, that is work and energy. In this chapter there are 3 points. The first point is work, second is energy, and the third point is type of energy, that is renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. At first we know what is work. Work is said to be done when a force applied on an object displaces it from its position. We do many activity every day that involves pushing or pulling. This push or pull is called force. If we apply force and the force fails to display an object, then it is considered that work is not done. Here are some examples of work done and some examples of work not being done. At first we discuss example of work done. First, pushing or pulling a cart makes a cart move to some distance. The second example is move a ball in an outdoor sports like football, and the third one is running, jogging, cycling or swimming. These are the examples of work done. The next, work not been done. First example, pushing a tree or a wall that does not move. And the second example is holding a luggage standing at one place. These two are the example of work not been done. And then the second point, that is energy. At first we know what is energy. Energy is the ability to do work. We get energy from food. Work and energy are closely related to each other. We need energy to walk, run, eat, laugh, etc. The food that give us energy are known as energy giving food. Carbohydrate and fats are the energy giving food. Fat give us more energy than carbohydrate. We need more energy when we run or jog than to walk slowly. The next one is type of energy. There are different type of energy. First, heat energy, second, electrical energy, third is solar energy, fourth, wind energy, fifth, sound energy, and the last one is light energy. Now we will discuss all energies. At first we discuss about heat energy. Sun is the natural source of heat energy on earth. Burning of wool, wood, coal, LPG gas release heat energy. And the second one is electrical energy. Electrical energy produced in large quantity in power station and then supplied to our homes. We can light bulbs, tube light and all electric appliances run with this electrical energy. And the third one is solar energy. We get solar energy from sun. Sun is the only source of solar energy. We know that the sun is the main source of heat and light on earth. Green plants make their food by using solar energy. We use solar cooker to cook food. And the third one is wind energy. Moving air is known as wind, and the wind energy is produced by wind. Sailboats use wind energy to move. The next is sound energy. Sound energy is produced by the vibration of an object. All musical instruments like tabla, guitar, sitar produces sound energy. And the last one is light energy. We know that sun is the main source of light. Light energy enables us to see things at night. We light bulb, tube lights, lamps, candles. All these are the sources of light energy. And the last one is type of energy, renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. The sources of energy are of two types, renewable sources of energy and second one is non-renewable sources of energy. At first we discuss what is renewable sources of energy. Renewable sources of energy are not exhausted. It can be used for long period of time. The example of renewable sources of energy is wind, sun and water. These are the renewable source of energy. It lasts for long time. And the second one is non-renewable sources of energy. Non-renewable sources of energy get exhausted. It cannot be used for long period of time. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are the non-renewable sources of energy. It gets exhausted after a long period. So, student, read the chapter properly. Thank you.